Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 28th of October 2022. How are crypto markets moving so far today? Well, we've continued to the downside. Yesterday was looking pretty bleak at this particular point. So going back 24 hours, we're in a position where we're pairing back some of the gains on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That continued throughout the rest of the trading session. Tech stocks didn't have a good day yesterday. Amazon and Meta both sinking, and that correlation just returning between tech and cryptos. Bitcoin moving lower. You've got an inside bar which got printed on the daily yesterday as well on Bitcoin, and we've already taken out that low. Watching very closely here because we've come right into that 20k handle. We know how important and psychological that's been over the past few months now, going way back to the start of September. So that continues to be a crucial area moving forward and throughout the rest of this session. A bounce so far today, but can't rule out a continued move lower. If we do break below there, then a move back down into the 50-day moving average would look quite likely. Ethereum as well, inside bar on the daily, we've taken that out, albeit just holding on to yesterday's low for the minute. Disappointingly for the bulls, weren't able to capitalize on that strong close above 1550 and continue into 1700 at least. Potentially now we might see a move back down to retest that 1281 area in that downtrend line. Typical breakout, rejection off a potential resistance area, move back down, retrace, and then see if we can go again from there. Would be the more likely scenario for me moving forward. Looking at Litecoin as well, you can see continued moves lower and a move back down to the 50 area could be on the cards. It's been a little bit choppy over the past few days, but basically we've completely faded now the entire move. A little bit more to go, but almost a full fade of the rally. Ripple, meanwhile, completely flat, going absolutely nowhere. Like I said, correlation on Ripple with the others is almost zero. So when you see the others moving higher, Ripple is doing its own thing, XRP. So that's where we're at on Ripple. There's nothing else to report. Nothing else in the crypto world for now either. No major news to bring your way, to be honest. So just focused on the technicals for today. I think I'll leave it there. And until next time, all the best of your trading and bye for now.